In this video, we feature the Running Horse Wines container cellar door in Brook, Australia. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing container project. Welcome back. Running Horse Vineyard at Brook is the location for this cost-effective and innovative building option that provides a sweeping view over the vineyard. This cool cellar door is an architectural masterpiece and a success story. The project comprises of 6 large shipping containers and a steel structure which supports the house, the double-width tasting room, and other social amenities, plus the cellar door virtually hanging on the precipice of the property's long driveway. Nestled in an existing stand of native trees, the modular structure required no trees to be removed, and there was minimal disturbance on the ground contouring. The use of highly insulated shipping containers and glass combined with modest proportions helps to minimize on-energy use. The offset between the two levels of containers forms external decked areas, while the lower level of the structure provides storage and administrative space. Walking up the raised timber walkways that links the containers, you get a feel of the immense beauty of this place. Inside, the cellar door's plan is centered around the wine tasting bench, with more intimate spaces located at the end of each shipping container. The tasting bench in the center of the room links 2 of the top containers to form the double space. A statement piece, the glass benchtop is able to be lit from underneath so one can fully appreciate the use of Dave's wines. For a seemingly small space, the cellar door feels surprisingly spacious and light, no doubt thanks to the large floor-to-ceiling windows which adorn each end of the shipping containers. It's the windows and, more importantly, the views which have been perfectly framed, making this space so special, with panoramas of Dave's vineyards and more of the beautiful country landscape. The cellar door is really quite unique in every sense of the word. On the outside, each container has a rusted metal facade, which is striking and yet the perfect fit for the rural landscape. The basement entryway for the Running Horse Wines in Brook is a lively intersection set inside the scene and incorporated with the vineyard, giving guests an elevating, personal and contextualized experience. To preserve much of the needed indoor space, the shipping containers are coated with cotton steel. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which brings out the industrial vibe of the design. Which part of this amazing container cellar appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.